Personally, अभी वो नहीं फोकस कर रहा है।
चलिए आप अपना आवाज़ शुरू कीजिए, साउंड शुरू कीजिए, बोलिए ना।
This lecture is belong to 9th, standard 9th, and chapter is that India's size and location, and sub-chapter
उसमें सटिए नहीं आप। ठीक है, ठीक।
and subtopics is India's and world's and India's neighbors. Okay? India and the world. Already you understood that our country India is situated in the continent of Asia, especially in southern parts of this continent. And it is not only situated in southern part, but it's situated in central parts of Asian continent also, which provide a strategic location for the country India, on which, and this strategic position, this strategic location provided the closer contact with East Asian countries and also provide the favorable condition for the West Asian countries and African countries. And this situation provides the more beneficiality, provided more beneficiality in ancient period of time. So today, we focused on India's contact and relation. Already you understood that India's contact and trade relations and cultural relations are always been in older times. Many East Asian countries like Java, Sumatra, Philippines, in these countries, Indian ideas, Indian Ramayanas, Indian cultural heritages are found that provided that India had ancient relations with these countries. Then India's contact over worlds, India's contact over the other countries and trade relations and cultural relations between other countries was extremely old, no doubt. So, our country India, which have land boundary from this region to this region, this is the land boundary of this country. It is the sea coastline. It is also considered as the sea coast. So then land boundary, India's land boundary is closer to the Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, China, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So these land boundaries are provided the favorable conditions to boost up their trade relations between India and Pakistan, India and Afghanistan, India and Tajikistan, India and China, India and Nepal, India and Bhutan, and many others. So, and India are connected with China, Nepal, and Bhutan with passes. Passes means the passes, if it is the mountain, so these regions, these paths between two mountain ranges is considered as passes. In passes, many passes are India, like Jojila, Bomdila. So these are the passes, and with these passes, Indian trade items, Indian ideas and commodities easily goes to the China's and Bhutan and Nepal and Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and others. So these passes, mainly the passes in these regions where passes are situated in Jammu Kashmir region, where different passes in Nepal region. So then these passes provided the favorability to to export Indian items, Indian goods like muslin, like species. So these are easily goes to these countries. This location provided the favorability to boost up their trade relations between these. Do you know that Indian cultural systems, Indian cultural heritage, which are related to Vedas, Ramayanas, Mahabharatas, many aspects of Vedas, Mahabharatas, Ramayanas are goes to distant countries that are far away from the India, like Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Maldives. In these nations where Indian culture, Vedas, Indian Vedic culture, Indian Puranic cultures, Indian tales, Indian ideas, Ramayanas and Mahabharatas and Upanishads all goes there. This shows that India have older relations, India have older contact with these countries, and because of the Indian culture, Indian ideas goes to these distant countries. And Indian species, Indian commodities like species, muslin, and and other merchandise items easily goes to different distant countries. And even in our country India, where minaret-like structure and dome-like structures are found in maximum villages, maximum houses, maximum monuments are found easily. So this provide means we means our nations, our countries, India learned the structure of dome, manufacturing of dome and manufacturing of minarets. Dome means gumbad-like structure and minarets means minar-like structure. So these structures are generally found in Western Asian countries, but this type of sculpture styles are found in our country also. It shows that we learned these arts from Western Asian countries like Iran, Iraq and many others. So these location, these situation provide more facilities, more beneficialities to the country India. Now we should consider on the neighboring country, India's neighbors. Already you understood that neighbors are those which have close contact with our land boundary and which are very closer to the our country. In northwestern part of this of our country, where Pakistan's are situated, means Pakistan are our northwestern neighbors, Afghanistan, which are also northwestern neighbors, Tajikistan, northern neighbors, China, northern neighbors, Tibet, northern neighbors, Nepal, northern neighbors, Bhutan, northeastern neighbors, Myanmar, northeastern neighbors, and Bangladesh, northeastern, and while in southern parts where Sri Lanka and Maldives are our southern neighbors. So these boundaries, these land boundaries shared with these nations, so these are our neighbors. And even in southern parts where Maldives and Sri Lanka, both of these countries which are situated in Arabian Sea, which situated in Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, these are also neighbors. Even already you also understood that our country, where 27 states are found and 9 union territories are found. 7 union territories, 28 union territories were in previous period. but Jammu Kashmir is transferred into Union Territory. So 2 Union Territories are included in list of Union Territories, while one is deleted from the state list. So then our country India, where Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, these are the Union Territories. Here it is Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, and here it is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and here it is Kerala, and here it is Karnataka, and here it is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Here it is Odisha, West Bengal, UP, Bihar, Sikkim, Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, here it is Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura. So these are the different states of our country. Approximately 27 states are found in our country.
12 मिनट चल रहा है 12 मिनट
Okay, so these are different states and union territories that are the our parts of our country, and boundaries, sharing boundaries our countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan, with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. So these are the our immediate neighbors, while Sri Lanka and Maldives, which are not share their boundaries with our country. So these are our neighbors. Okay, thank you very much.